If you want VLC Media Player to automatically close when your playlist finishes, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple clicks. This is really useful if you're playing music, a video playlist, or even a long queue of files and you don't want VLC left open after everything ends. It's a small setting, but it can make your playback experience much smoother and more convenient. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is running, look at the top menu bar. You'll want to click on Media. This menu contains several playback related options, and this is where the setting you need is located. After you click Media, look through the menu options until you find Quit at the end of Playlist. This is the setting that tells VLC to automatically exit once your playlist has finished playing. Click on that option to enable it. Once it's turned on, VLC will no longer stay open after the last item in the playlist ends. That's all there is to it. With this setting enabled, you can play your media without having to remember to close the application manually when everything is done. It's especially helpful if you use VLC for background music, movie playlists, or long viewing sessions. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more fast and practical how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.